Now everywhere they talk. What they talk? Money. They didn't ask about, no voters asked about what qualification he has or whether he will have the capacity, but how much he has. That is the qualification of the candidate now. How do you expect to get the good governance? You young student, now is the time to think. Church leaders, pastors, you have to think. Let us think. Do we have to do like this? What is our role in society? Whether we tibru and blind? We have to understand our own role. Now, if we do anything as a politician, when we are in power, people respect us. We are not alien. Just because we are in power, we are human beings. We are like you and us. We are only to see how the state run and function. So it is a big role to play. I urge the pastors, the reverend, let us think how to change the system. Now if you give a road, nobody, until you give money, no water will put for you. Is this the way of life? Is this the brutal life? Let us introspect. We politicians are afraid to lose election. We'll do anything to win election. But governance, we are almost past the time. But what about our children? What type of administration they will get? It is up to you, the young mind, young student. It is up to you, the elders of the society. It is up to you, the elders of the church. It's up to you, the society as a whole. Let us respect each other. Let us see, let us talk what we see, and let us believe what we see, what transformation which we have. So that's why I urge upon you that together, we are politicians, are part of society, are not alien. Let us try to correct ourselves. Voters, politicians, leaders, let us try to correct ourselves. Let us try to correct what we'll have. Now, you'll blame only politicians. Why you blame? Let us introspect. So, I think I have fixed so much time. With these few words, not few words, very long speech and very long speech. I'm very thankful from the government, through the honorable leadership of our honorable Chief Minister. We'll try to do whatever possible for the college and for the education system in the state of Meghalaya. Thank you, Mitala Jai.